Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do another clean with me for you guys, and I'm posting this one over the weekend to help you guys get really motivated through the weekend, because I know that's when I lose most of my motivation is through the weekend. So I thought I would post this on the weekend and help you guys get really motivated. So I'm first starting off where I always seem to start off, in my kitchen. I'm just unloading the dishwasher and cleaning up and wiping down the counters and everything.
You listen so we can connect again. I'm feeling the purpose. I know we're not perfect, but my soul is reaching out. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you, taking me by surprise. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. You fade out. I always thought that it could work. Am I the one who will get burned?
After I'm done with the dishes, I'm then going to start cleaning my sink with my Mrs. Meyer's soap. And I did want to let you know that Grove Collaborative does have another campaign going on right now where you can get all of this for free. The walnut scrubbers are if you're already an existing customer, but if you are a new customer with Grove Collaborative, you'll get the lotion, the dish soap, hand soap, and a scrub brush, all for free with the purchase of $20. It's a really great deal, and I absolutely love the Mrs. Meyer's products, and you can choose any scent you want. The mint smells amazing. So I'm using that to clean my kitchen, and then I will use the coordinating spray to clean up my counters.
Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. You fade out. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you, taking me by surprise. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth.
I did decide to go ahead and wipe off these shelves too. I just wipe these down every now and then just to get off any dust. And then I'm going to wipe down my vent above my stove, because this needs to be done like once a week. I'm then going to wipe off my kitchen table, and I got my Wood for Good cleaner by Method again. I love this stuff. I talk about it all the time. It smells like Dr. Pepper.
Whisper through the grapevine, you fade out.
I was young and you were broken, but we did the best we could.
Once I'm done with that, I'm going to give my floor a quick sweep, and then I'm going to go ahead and mop this time as well.
Understood that we get one chance to make it right. I wish I knew back then how to say sorry when it's just for the best.
We had it all, we're too young, way too young. I'm drowning in our memories with bittersweet intensity. Gone, swept away, swept away. I'm never used to hope you gave the promise make beside me. I'm moving on no matter what. The thing we have will never rust. You and I will stand the test of time for life.
I'm then going to head into my living room, and I'm just going to start picking up from the day, straightening things up, wiping down all our tables, putting some essential oils in, and vacuuming.
See you forever sorry when it's just for the best.
We had it all, way too young, way too young. I'm drowning in our memories, the bittersweet intensity. Gone, swept away, swept away. I never used to hope you did. The promise made beside the ring. I'm holding on no matter what. The thing we had will never was you and I. We'll stand the test of time for life.
I'm then going to tidy up in my entryway and sweep and mop in there as well. And Dee really wanted to come and tell you guys hi there.
Dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down.
And if this isn't mom life, I don't know what else is. Vacuuming while your child runs around you in circles.
The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like it.
I'm then gonna head into Dee's room and I'm gonna start with wiping off her bed. We did chalk paint this bed, so it gets kind of dirty every now and then. The paint is holding up great. So all I do is just quickly wipe it down with some Mrs. Myers spray to get off any dirty fingerprints or footprints. I'm then going to start straightening up her toys and putting away her laundry and just cleaning up a bit for her. I normally have her do this, but I just wanted to get it done today.
Your time, no one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
After I'm done putting away all her laundry, I just wipe down her dresser a bit.
Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming.
And then I'm gonna head into our guest bath and I'm gonna wipe down the mirrors, the counters, clean the toilet, and sweep and mop.
Oh, no, not yeah. Like, oh, na, 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 na. Like, oh, na, na, oh, na, na, yeah. When you're around, I know I hardly speak. You got me now, oh baby.
And then once I'm done with this, that's it guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up as well as hit subscribe down below. Definitely make sure to check out the Grove Collaborative link down below. I will have everything linked for you guys so you can go and check it out. And I will see you guys back here next time. Bye!
Just right.